Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super exciting topic. We're talking about how to make a girl fall in love with you. Fast. Yes, you heard me right. But before you start imagining what a grilse is, don't worry, I've got you covered. So for those of you wondering, a grilse is a type of salmon that's just a year-old fish that has made its way back from the ocean. They're sleek, strong, and pretty fast. Now you're probably wondering how on earth you can make any fish fall in love. Well, I'm here to break it down for you with a little humor and a whole lot of fun. Step 1. First impressions matter. Just like humans, grilse appreciate a strong first impression. If you want to catch the attention of a grilse, make sure your bait game is strong. We're talking about the best lures, the brightest colors, and the perfect drift. A grilse will notice you before it even gets close to biting. Imagine you're a grilse. You've swum miles, you're tired, and suddenly you see that flashy, irresistible lure. You can't help but take a closer look. That's what you want to do. Be irresistible. Your bait needs to sparkle and shine. Step 2. Play hard to get. Now I know this sounds counterintuitive. You want to catch them, right? But grilses are tricky. They're not the kind of fish that fall for something too easy. They like a challenge. Let that bait sink and wiggle just out of their reach, then slowly reel it in. Just like in love, sometimes a little mystery can be more appealing. Step 3. Be patient and show persistence. You can't expect a grilse to fall in love after one cast. Sometimes it takes multiple tries. But don't get discouraged. Just like in a relationship, persistence and consistency pay off. Step 4. Time it right. Grilses are most active during certain times of the day, early mornings and late evenings. So if you want to catch their attention, you need to be on the water at the right time. Timing is everything in love and fishing. And last but not least, step 5. Know when to let go. If a grilse is just not feeling it, don't push too hard. Sometimes you need to let them swim off and trust that they'll come back when the time is right. In the world of fish and love, patience and respect are key. So there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be reeling in a grilse in no time. Remember, the trick to getting a grilse to fall in love with you is all about creating that irresistible first impression, playing hard to get, being patient, and knowing the right timing. Oh, and of course, respect your catch. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and adventures. And remember, whether you're fishing or just navigating life, sometimes love just needs the right hook. See you next time.